All right, last thing here for standing series from downward facing dog. Inhale, right leg to the sky. Exhale, bring it through. This time we'll come to warrior one. Warrior one, the back foot spins flat. Come on up, so the back foot's about 45 degrees angle. And we'll take the hands to the hips. Invite the left hip forward to meet the right hip. Option to either shorten or widen the stance. That'll help you to square the hips. Arms come back up above. Just take a moment here. Press through the pinky edge of that back foot. And then take the hands, interlace the fingers in back of you. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward to the inside of that front leg. Keep the fingers interlaced, let the hands hang heavy. Humble warrior. Start to open up the shoulder blades from all those push-ups. Take a couple breaths here. Inhale brings you back up to standing. Release the hands, back to the ground, step that right foot back. Option to vinyasa, high to low plank, or meet back in downward facing dog. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring it through. Again, warrior one, back foot spins flat, about a 45 degrees angle. Come on up, hands to the hips. Invite the right hip forward to meet the left one. Same thing here, option to either shorten or widen stance. That'll help you to square the hips. And arms come back up above. Press through that knife edge of the back foot. Interlace the fingers in back of you. Inhale, gaze up. Exhale, fold forward to the inside of that left leg. Inhale, come back up. Release the hands. Arms come back up and then bring them to the ground. Left foot back. High to low plank. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, downward facing dog. That was it. Next we've got half pigeon. Inhale, right leg to the sky. Exhale, bring it through. Right knee to the right wrist, lower down to that back leg. Take a peek in back of you. Make sure that leg goes straight and back, the foot's not sickled out to either side. And then inhale, come up to center, exhale. Walk the hands forward, let the forehead rest on the mat. Or you can stack your two fists if that's more comfortable and rest your forehead on top of your two fists. So here in half pigeon, it can be a pretty intense hip opening stretch. For some people, you want to be mindful of the breath here, and you can utilize the breath with intention. On the inhale, notice what's going on at the hip joint. On the exhale, let it go. Let any tension or tightness around that hip joint melt away. You can also think a little mantra. On the inhale, think let, and on the exhale, think go. Slowly come on up. Put the back toe, send that right leg back, shake it out, make a three-legged dog, big circles at that right hip joint. And other side. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, bring it through. Left knee to left wrist, lower down to that back leg. Inhale, up to center. Exhale, walk the hands forward, let the forehead rest on the mat. Half pigeon in Sanskrit is Baddha Virabhadrasana. You can keep the hands extended to the front or stack your two fists and rest your forehead on your two fists. Same thing here. Inhale, think let. Exhale, think go. And with each exhale, let go of any tension or tightness that you're hanging on to at the hip joint. Let go of any tension or tightness you may be hanging on to in your life. You can let go of anything that no longer serves you. And as you let go of that which no longer serves you, begin to see yourself move forward in life with ease and agility. Good. Slowly come on up, plant the palms, tuck that back toe, shake it out, big circles at that left hip joint. All right, that was it for standing series. Gaze forward. Step it through to a seated position. Legs extend to the front, Paschimottanasana, seated forward fold. Begin by removing any extra flesh from the sits bones. Inhale, arms come up. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at the hips. See if you can keep the back flat. So if this bothers the back or the neck at all, if there's any tension or tightness, I'd like you to go ahead and modify this. Put big bend in the knees. Let the torso rest on the thighs. Or if you'd like to deepen the posture, you can work with the breath like halfway lift. Inhale, lift up and lengthen. Exhale, fold forward, hinge at the hips. Slowly come on up and we'll lower onto the spine.